very awesome today.
We're gonna go. Woo! Yahoo! Woo!
Hi boys and girls, it's Kelsey, and we are at Dollface's boutique. Oh, hello boys and girls. We have all of these cool LOL dolls here, and we are doing something very awesome today. We are dressing each other up like twins.
I'm going to dress up like Gogo Girl. Oh, and she's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna dress up like Hoops MVP. Oh yeah! And I'm gonna dress up like Angel. Yes, she is. And we're gonna go first. Hey boys and girls, it's Gogo Girl! Or is it? You know, this could be a great Halloween costume. I could totally be like Sandy from Grease, or like, you know, somebody from the 70s, 60s. You look adorable! Cause you look like me. That was so cool! Ooh, I'm totally next, I'm next. And boys and girls, once we're all done, you can put in the comments who you think looks the most like their twin. Okay, here we go! Yahoo! Oh yeah, look at this hairdo, guys. Oh, I need my headband. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, wait, my outfit! MVP, get over here! Oh, all right, look at me. I look like Hoops. I got her outfit and I put glitter in my hair. And I look like Beats. Except not really at all.
Alright, look at this. Wow, I'm so confused. We have Gogo Girl, but she's in Vacay Baby's bathing suit. And look at Vacay Babe. She looks just like Gogo Girl. And look at Beats. She looks just like Hoops MVP. Am I saying double here? Okay, we still have a couple more to go. We have Coconut Cutie and Angel.
I'm so excited about this. Okay, we're the last ones. Okay, I'm gonna dress up like Angel and fly away. Ooh, I got Angel's outfit on. Can't do a lot of hula dancing in this one. Now I just need hair. Hi guys, it's Angel! Or is it? Surprise! It's really not. She's Coconut Cutie, and I'm in her hula gown.
Okay, boys and girls, go ahead and comment below with who you think looks the most like their twin. Is it Vacay Baby as Gogo Girl? Is it Beats as Hoops MVP? Or is it Coconut Cutie as Angel? Comment below. Now I'm gonna do some talking with little Dollface and Dollmatian. Okay, now the winner of this contest. It's a contest, by the way. Oh, sorry. Gets a blind bag. I'm gonna announce the winner right now. Alrighty. The person who looks the most like their twin is Beats as Hoops MVP!
Yay! Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Dollface!
You're welcome. Let me get you your prize. Ah! Ta-da! It's a Shopkins blind bag! Which Shopkins did you get?
Oh my goodness! Open it! Open it!
Alrighty, go ahead and put I got it in the comments if you voted for Beat. I hope you all enjoyed our fashion boutique day with twin makeovers. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Goodbye.
Let us know if you'd like to see more LOL doll videos in the comments. And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe or hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone.